How to optimize a website's performance.
Phil Bacon.
Why should you be optimizing your website? Optimizing your website is crucial for driving traffic, increasing visibility, and improving user experience. A well-optimized website can rank higher in search engine results page SERPs, attract more organic traffic, and convert visitors into customers. In this blog, we will discuss the key strategies and techniques to optimize your website for better performance. There are several strategies to ensure best optimization for your website. Conduct keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of website optimization. It involves identifying the search terms or phrases that people use to find information related to your business or industry. By targeting the right keywords, you can optimize your website content to match user intent and increase your chances of ranking higher in SERPs. Start by using keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Consider the relevance, search volume, and competition of each keyword to select the most suitable ones for your website. Once you have identified the target keywords, use them strategically in your website's content, including the title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and body content. However, avoid keyword stuffing as it can negatively impact your website's SEO. Create high-quality, engaging content. Content is king when it comes to website optimization. High-quality, engaging content can attract and retain visitors, encourage them to stay longer on your website, and increase the chances of converting them into customers. Create unique, informative, and relevant content that caters to the needs and interests of your target audience. Use a conversational tone and break up the content into smaller chunks with headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make it easy to read and scan. Include your target keywords in your content strategically, but do not overdo it. The content should flow naturally and provide value to the readers. Avoid duplicate content as it can harm your website's SEO. Optimize title tags and meta descriptions. Title tags and meta descriptions are crucial for optimizing your website for search engines and users. The title tag is the HTML tag that defines the title of a web page, while the meta description is a brief summary of the web page's content. Include your target keywords in the title tags and meta descriptions to optimize them for SEO. Use descriptive and compelling titles and meta descriptions that entice users to click on your website in search results. Keep the title tags under 60 characters and meta descriptions under 155 characters to ensure they are fully displayed in search results. Optimize URLs and navigation. Optimizing your website's URLs and navigation can improve user experience and make it easier for search engines to crawl and index your web pages. Create descriptive and user-friendly URLs that are easy to read and understand. Include your target keywords in the URLs and avoid using numbers, symbols, or long strings of characters. Use hyphens to separate words in the URLs as they are more SEO-friendly than underscores. Ensure your website has a clear and intuitive navigation structure that allows users to easily find the information they are looking for. Use descriptive anchor text for your internal links and create a logical hierarchy of pages with the most important content accessible within a few clicks. Optimize website speed. Website speed is a critical factor for user experience and SEO. A slow-loading website can frustrate users, increase bounce rates, and negatively impact your website's rankings in SERPs. Optimize your website's loading speed by compressing images, minimizing CSS and JavaScript files, and leveraging browser cache. Use a content delivery network, CDN, to distribute your website's content across multiple servers globally, reducing the loading time for users in different regions. Regularly test your website's speed using tools like Google Page, Speed Insights, or GTmetrix, and take necessary actions to improve the loading speed. Make your website mobile friendly. With the increasing use of mobile devices to access the internet, having a mobile-friendly website is crucial for optimizing your website. Google also considers mobile friendliness as a ranking factor in its search algorithm. Ensure that your website is responsive and can adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Test your website's mobile friendliness using Google's mobile friendly test tool and make necessary adjustments, such as using mobile responsive design, optimizing images for mobile, and ensuring buttons and links are easy to tap with your fingers. Optimize images. Images play an important role in website optimization. They can enhance the visual appeal of your website and provide context to your content. However, large and unoptimized images can slow down your website's loading speed, affecting user experience and SEO. Optimize your images by compressing them without compromising their quality. Use appropriate image file formats such as JPEG for photographs and PNG for images with transparency. Also, use descriptive alt text for your images to improve accessibility and help search engines understand the content of the images. Utilize heading tags. Heading tags H1, H2, H3, etc. are HTML tags that define the hierarchy of headings and subheadings in your content. They not only help users to scan and understand the structure of your content, but also provide important signals to search engines about the relevance and hierarchy of your content. Use heading tags appropriately in your content to structure it logically and emphasize important keywords. Use H1 tags for main headings and H2, H3 and other heading tags for subheadings. Avoid skipping heading tags or overusing them, as it can confuse both users and search engines. Optimize meta tags. Meta tags are HTML tags that provide information about a web page to search engines and users. The two main meta tags that are important for the website optimization are meta titles and meta descriptions, which we discussed earlier. However, there are other meta tags that can further optimize your website. For example, the meta robots tag can be used to instruct search engines on how to crawl and index your web page. The meta viewport tag can help in ensuring that your website is mobile friendly. The meta canonical tag can be used to avoid duplicate content issues. Utilize these meta tags appropriately in your HTML code to optimize your website for SEO. Use descriptive and SEO-friendly URLs. The URLs of your web pages play a role in website optimization. Use descriptive and SEO-friendly URLs that provide information about the content of your web pages. Avoid using generic URLs with numbers or random strings of characters. Include your target keywords in your URLs to optimize them for SEO. Use hyphens to separate words in the URLs, as they are more search engine friendly than underscores. Keep your URLs concise, descriptive, and easy to read for both users and search engines. Implement schema markup. Schema markup is a form of structured data markup that provides additional information about your web page's content to search engines. It helps search engines understand the context of your content and can improve the visibility of your web page in SERPs. Implement schema markup on your website to provide information such as a business address, phone number, reviews, ratings, events, and more. Schema markup can enhance the appearance of your web page in search results with rich snippets, which can attract more clicks and improve your website's SEO. Optimize metarobots.txt. The robots.txt file is a text file that tells search engine bots which pages or sections of your website should not be crawled or indexed. Optimizing your metarobots.txt file can help in better controlling the crawling and indexing of your website by search engines. Review and update your metarobots.txt file to ensure that it is not blocking important web pages from being crawled and indexed. Avoid blocking important content or sections of your website that you want to rank in search results. Be cautious while editing your metarobots.txt file, as any mistakes can lead to unintended consequences and negatively impact your website's visibility in search results. Focus on user experience. Ultimately, the success of your website depends on the experience that users have when they visit it. A website that is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and provides valuable and relevant content will attract and retain more visitors, leading to better engagement, higher conversion rates, and improved SEO. Ensure that your website is user-friendly by optimizing its design, layout, and navigation. Make sure that your website loads quickly on all devices and that there are no broken links or errors. Provide high-quality, valuable, and engaging content that meets the needs of your target audience. Make it easy for users to find what they are looking for and take desired actions, such as making a purchase or filling out a contact form. A positive user experience will not only improve your website's SEO, but also contribute to your overall online success. What to do after your website has been optimized. Monitor and analyze your website performance. Optimizing your website is an ongoing process, and it's important to monitor and analyze your website's performance regularly. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, and using analytics tools, you can gain insights into how your website is performing and identify areas that need improvement. Use tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and other SEO monitoring tools to track important metrics such as organic traffic, bounce rate, conversion rate, and engagement metrics. Analyze the data to identify patterns, trends, and areas that need optimization. Adjust your SEO strategy and make necessary changes to your website based on the insights gained from performance monitoring and analysis. Stay updated with SEO best practices. SEO is an ever-evolving field, and it is important to stay updated with the latest SEO best practices to ensure that your website remains optimized. Search engines frequently update their algorithms, and SEO techniques that were effective in the past may not work anymore or even result in penalties. Stay updated with the latest SEO best practices by following reputable SEO websites, blogs, and forums, attending industry conferences and webinars, and keeping yourself informed with the latest news and updates from search engines. Regularly review and update your SEO strategy and make necessary changes to your website to align with the latest best practices. In conclusion, optimizing your website is essential for improving its visibility in search results, attracting more organic traffic, and driving higher engagement and conversions. By following the above-mentioned tips and best practices, you can optimize your website effectively and improve its SEO performance. Remember to focus on providing high-quality, valuable, and relevant content, optimizing your website's technical aspects, improving user experience, and staying updated with the latest SEO trends and best practices. With consistent effort and optimization, you can achieve better search engine rankings, increased organic traffic, and online success for your website. Speak to us about optimizing your website and improving your digital marketing.